Hey guys, me here, and I have this really cool new mock that I've made, and it is a grocery store. As you can see, it actually took quite some time, and it's actually very detailed. And if you do want to look in there, you can see a display and a sticker that says open. I really like this build, and it's a V2, my old one I took apart just today. Made a huge mess out of it, but still gonna add some stuff on it, but so far it is done for now. And this video is gonna be about this, obviously. Not about to make it. It is big. I don't want to make it, sorry guys, because it's quite big. But I will show you the details of this, and it's first I'm going to be showing you the details from this. Now you would think that this is from a different set, because it is, but I have actually completely modded it. I flipped this around, took this off and put that right there, so you can actually have enough space, and so it's not in the way of the display. So that's one of my that's a part I like, and you can already see a little bit of stuff in there, mostly just reflection background. But you can see a trash can with a little bit of. Now there's nothing in the trash can, but there's a little piece of trash on there, and it's it's a modular-ish building. It's kind of small. It's on the smaller side, but but that's just the front. There's not very much, and you do have a place for someone to stand. You can see, and another one. That's what's under that. Now first I'm going to be showing you the top, the roof. Now you can see all the stuff in there. But I'm going to be showing you the roof now. And it's pretty detailed. You can see the logo, which is food there, an apple and a croissant, and it says City Food Market. You can see some of the AC and vents and all that stuff leading up there. This actually has a cooler part, and I'll show you it later. See this mouse? That's not what a mouse says, but it sounds pretty close. Big block of cheese, some bricks from leftover building, and if you do turn it around, you can see City Food Market for the backside. And yeah, see this toolbox, still has the same classic logo, and just not too much up here, but it's still more on the detail. Okay, here is the design on the building, and now note you cannot actually connect it on this side because of that. But that is a door stopper. It does have a little bit of design. This has like a Tetris-y design. See some white from in there. Not the best design ever, but it's supposed to be smushed right next to each other. It's built, so you won't see it too much, but that you can't see it at all from the inside. So, but there's this, so you can connect to different, modular buildings if you want to, and this right here, the thing that I showed you with the AC thing, that leads right on top of that. So I guess it could be like the AC, and I think that's really cool. And if you just want to see a sneak peek inside, there's lots of stuff going on. Okay, first I'm going to be starting off with the toys. You can see a panda bear, blue in the background. See that Lego movie thing. See a kid, and behind that there's a panda bear. There's the cup. There's a magazine, if you can see. That's a Lego magazine, the one I just showed you. You can see a magazine right there. It's Mysterio. And there's a guitar. And if you want to move it, which you do, you can take off these. See all the cups better. And that's really cool. And if you do see under that, you can see some fries and all these pizzas. Oops, sorry. Yeah, you have some the gold glass, the just milk and all that stuff. And don't worry, this is what cools down the things, so not all gross and stuff. Sorry for having it zoomed in on my arm. And yeah, that's for that corner, and there is much more. See a businessman right in there. And if you want to scoot over, you can see that display. You get some pie, some cupcakes, well, a cupcake, a Danish, and a pie. On the wall there, you see bakery, and that's for the bakery corner. And yeah, I really like building that bakery part, but if you do turn it, you get much more to see. You can see the cereal puffs with the hamster on it, and you can see honey cereal. You can see people definitely like honey more. There's 2 left, but behind that is just a normal yellow 2x3 tile. Well, not tile, but whatever you want to call it. Sorry for the wall. And the glare. You can see carrots, 5, apples, 5, and if you go over there, you can see the peppers. There's cauliflower, apple, grapes or cherries, bananas, carrots, and carrots. And there's a coffee machine. There's really nothing in here, but I will take it out just to show you guys. There's the pepper in there, but it's actually just a hot dog. There's some cherries and cauliflower again. This time it's a small cauliflower, and that's what's there. To move down a little, you can see this cash register, and if you did not, and that's a shelf if you didn't know. And the cash register I'll show you in just a second, but there's this huge, well, not huge, but there's that yellow line right there, the big yellow gate. It tells customers not to go in there because that's where that's where the worker goes. And where did the worker go? Oh yes, here she is. Now for some reason she says Lego on her back, but that's fine because she is Lego. So that's the shelf. I already told you that, but the reason that's curved in all the way, like this, going under, is to make the food wet so they don't go bad and all gross and stuff. Okay, if you want to take the Lego lady out, you can actually see the coin, but that's just from Star Wars. See, it kind of looks like coin slots, but you can also see the mountain in the background, but If you want to look on top, you can see this money. It's $100, even though it shouldn't be. There's really nothing back here. There's a happy customer about to get his chicken. And there's a refrigerator that I'm about to show you, and this is one of my favorite parts. Also, if you want to turn to the right, sorry, you can see this. Sorry for my hand being in the way. But you can see this cool little refrigerator that opens up to show a hot dog. And that does keep them colder right there, if you didn't know what that's for. You can see it, 2 chicken legs and a hot dog. Now, this is really cool because it has that handle on the door. Right there, the handle is the thermometer, thermostat, whatever it's called. And you can see the city market, organic food, homegrown organic food, fresh foods, and the city market. You can see a watermelon, but I already showed you that. And that's pretty much it, but I do want to talk about the middle and other things in this. Guys, if you did not know, I have many other mocks, as you can see up here. Most of these up here are mocks. There's a construction site over there, but a few are still Lego sets, and I love to have this in the background. I don't know why, but there's that. Originally this was going to be blue design, but I just thought it was too much, so I took it off. And if you do want to see what this looks like with the entire, oh yes, there's still a little bit more to talk about. How I put his bag on is just on his hand, but originally I had a bag I had to take off. Since I want it to stay on better, I had to take off the hand. The arm accidentally came off. Then I had to put that back on, obviously. But I took off the hand, and I put the bag onto the wrist because I couldn't fit it on. See? It's right there. Oh, he still has it. See? And then I put the hand back on. It actually stayed super well. I'm about to show you what it looks like from the back side with this on. And yeah, I'm thinking about maybe adding a parking lot, but it still looks cool with the lights off, with no lights. And I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope this inspires you to create your own Lego cities or Star Wars or anything you want to. So I'll see you another day. I post actually really often. I just started getting in the hang of it again. I do a lot of Roblox gaming sometimes, like Criminal vs. SWAT, which is an FPS. But if you didn't know already, I love Legos, and I really hope you love Legos too, because they're such an awesome toy, and I'm so happy they were invented.